Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your Fusion 360 model and switching to the model workspace. Once there, open the Appearances panel with Shift+ or via right-click Appearance so options load. Make sure to select the exact bodies or components you intend to color. Selecting first prevents accidental application to the wrong part. You'll also want to decide whether you need a physical material or just an appearance. Choose Appearance for visual color changes and Physical material. Once selected, drag a preset appearance from the library onto your part to apply color immediately. Then click Edit to open the Appearance Editor. Here you change base color, roughness, metalness, and transparency to tune reflectivity and finish. If the built-ins don't match, duplicate a nearby preset and rename it, then adjust parameters so you can reuse that custom look. Make sure to apply to the correct level, face, body, or component so the color stays where you expect during assemblies. To finalize, move to the Render workspace or toggle Appearance overrides to preview lighting and environment impacts on your chosen color. Use Cloud Render or save your custom appearance into the library for reuse. If the color doesn't show, first verify you applied to face/body versus root component, then check for appearance overrides or active visual styles hiding materials. If reflections seem off, tweak roughness and environment map. Once satisfied, export renders or save the Fusion file with embedded appearances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.